Okay, so you guys have just got onto the ride of awesomeness, Kids Talent Show. Just a reminder that you must be 0 years old or older to participate. In no sad, upset, or frown faces allowed on this ride. This ride will take you many creative and unique sides of many people, so buckle up your seatbelts and here we go!
I would like to thank all the participants and parents today out here, and have a good time.
Thank you everybody for coming. Okay guys, we're gonna have a lot of fun tonight, so I hope you guys are ready. It might get pretty intense. Too much for some people.
We are the hosts of your talent show. My name is Ashira Longa. I'm in 7th grade, and I live in Pleasanton, California.
My name is Sheen Grisel. I'm in the 8th grade. My school is at Price Middle, and I live in San Jose.
Hello everybody, my name is Bruce Paul, I'm 11 years old, my school is Mission Valley, and I live in Fremont.
Hi, my name is Mira. I'm 10 years old. I'm in 6th grade. I live in Cupertino, and I go to Kennedy Middle School.
And we are the Hoyos! Okay, so to get the fun started, our first contestant today at the Kids Talent Show
Is Suhani, who is singing Heart Attack by Demi Lovato.
So, that was a great job, Suhani. Let's give her a round of applause. So, next up is going to be Mira Manfru and Dia Call.
Doing their cup song.
Okay, so Mira is in 6th grade, and Dia is in 5th grade, and both of them are going to be doing the cup song and singing as well, so enjoy.
You ready to enjoy?
While Shane is going to do some of his
martial arts stuff.
Yeah, so enjoy.
Let's give him a round of applause.
Everybody needs a soul, a beautiful melody. When the night's so long, but there is no guarantee that this life is easy. Yeah, when
And that was due to technical difficulties.
This time we're going to do it right. Yep. Don't worry. It's still there.
1, 2, go!
Hey. Let's go. Y'all can stop me. The harmony donuts. Okay, Tara. What did the judge say at the food court? Don't say it. Correct. This one. Now I want to know this one. Go.
No doors or windows.
How do you get out?
Can you repeat that?
Imagine you're in a room with no doors or windows. How do you get out?
Through the ceiling?
Without the ceiling. Oh, with the ceiling.
Oh, with the ceiling too. So with the ceiling, no doors, no windows.
Pearl.
Stop imagining.
Yes. Now shiny. Go. Now current. Fine.
Astrologers' knowledge combined makes a very powerful and accurate chart that can make all your dreams come true. Contact Fear, biggest guidance and astrology and God. God figures out 7 8 and a 9 And then you know what's really weird? They worry about rice. That's really stupid. I don't get that. It's something to do. Passadı tikmene navale chanse. Kay party mein mukh nishi shama kare. Chalo chik chik kare. Royal Basmati, number 1 Basmati rice in America. I know you're getting bored, but here's one more. Okay, tell me about it. Jaya travel, Jaya travel, Jaya. Jaya travel, Jaya travel, Jaya. Jaya travels where we go. Booking rates are very low. Holiday business celebration. We take you to your destination. Before you travel the world, call Jaya Travel 877-359-5290. Jaya.
I'm doing very good. Ready? Want to hear it?
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
Mike, close.
It's kind of getting chilly. You want to go home? Yeah, sure. No, this. Wait, Regency drop, yeah. It's getting cold, yeah. Personality switches on.
I did not rip any tickets.
So did
Wait a minute. You ripped my precious ticket. Hard middle. And he's 12 years old, and his city is Pleasanton. And this is going to be a surprise song, so we, being the host, we don't even know. So cheer, take pictures, be happy.
Do anything.
Woo! Give him a round of applause! Woo! This morning, mustache is gone, I have an ear piercing. I go downstairs, Suhani is sleeping. I go outside, my bike is missing. I pack up and go to work at Google with the smirks. Paid in dollars, so I spend it all on tea now. Now the aunties line up to me, so I must run like a Kashmiri. The sun goes down, my work comes out. We call out loud and type around. This is my life because you know I'm Kashmiri.
provide gifts for all the children here. So everyone's getting a gift card to Jamba Juice McDonald's.